Hello, little friends! Do you know what's crunchy, colorful, and super healthy? Yes, vegetables! Today, we're going to learn the names of yummy vegetables that help us grow strong and healthy. Are you ready? Let's go veggie exploring! What am I? I am a carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. What am I? I am a tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. What am I? I am a pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. What am I? I am a potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. What am I? I am a broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. What am I? I am a radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. What am I? I am an eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. But you can call me aubergine too. A-U-B-E-R-G-I-N-E. Aubergine. What am I? I am a turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. What am I? I am a lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce. What am I? I am an onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. What am I? I am a cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. What am I? I am a pea pod. P-E-A-P-O-D. Pea pod. What am I? I am a cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. What am I? I am a cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. What am I? I am a bell pepper. B-E-L-L-P-E-P-P-E-R. Bell pepper. What am I? I am a garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. What am I? I am a ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. What am I? I am a chili. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. What am I? I am a corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. What am I? I am a green onion. G-R-E-E-N-O-N-I-O-N. Green onion. What am I? I am a beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. What am I? I am an okra. O-K-R-A. Okra. But you can also call me lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S-F-I-N-G-E-R. Lady's finger. What am I? I am a mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. Mushroom. What am I? I am a green bean. G-R-E-E-N-B-E-A-N. Green bean. What am I? I am a spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Wow! We learned so many tasty vegetables today. From carrots to broccoli and peas to potatoes. They're all so good for you. So don't forget to eat your veggies every day because they help you play, learn, and grow the strong way. Bye-bye, little veggie lovers. See you next time.